Todd Shaw, the Sawdust Dude. You know, it's all about staying organized, whether it's your work van or your workshop. Hey, here's a little cool tip that I learned from some guys years ago. For your caulk, there's nothing worse than having caulk rolling around your work van. You just take little pieces of PVC, and they are about 6 inches long. Do like a 30-degree cut on it, a little bevel cut, which I did on my miter saw. Works out great. Pop a screw here, pop all the way through. The screw goes all the way through this way. That way, the caulk doesn't fall through. So run these screws. These are just decking screws that go all the way through. Screw on the top. That's why you do the bevel cut, so you can do that. Also use some scrap wood for my framing square. Little piece off of a deadbolt. That's a little rat rotting for you. But anyway, hey, thanks for watching the Sawdust Dude. I'll see you real soon.
Where are you going?
I am coming back.
We are trying to shoot the movie.
We're shooting the movie. No, where? Hang on!